Hello, my name is Eric Bulan Santika. I'm from Group 5. The conditional tension or more often the conditional tension is a complex tension which is configured by using the if conjunction and unless this tension refers to things, namely the condition and the result of the condition expression in this tension is accompanied by the dependent clause while the result is an independent clause. Three are purposes of phrasal function in English, namely real condition and future possible phrasal function that might occur. Phrasal annually assumption used to give suggestion and past unitary assumption in the form of regret. If the strikers get injured, they might not win the game. First, the condition in the above tension is if the striker gets promotion, and first, the result is they might not win the game. In Lagis, the math expressed in that tension it had not yet begun, so there was still a possibility of a tempestuous torsion cloud be injured. That's the question of the game. It might still happen. Tenses are used in classes. This supposition tension is a clause with tenses phrases simple. When will the independent clause can use the future infinitive or capital. When the restraining tension is an expression of the habit, the independent clauses is present simple, as in example of the tension get whereas I usually take an aspirin. For the clause above, the passing word used can be reflected with when like the line. When you get a headache, you usually take an aspirin. Devising a hypothetical tension can change just like an other one. The independent clause can be used in the beginning of a tension, like the physician will get the wrong medicine if the nurse gives us the wrong diagnostic test. This controlling stance is usually called the unreal conditional. In this tense, the defendant if clause uses simple past tenses, but the auxiliary verb only uses were, not, was, will, the word, would, cloud, or make. The function of this controlling stance is to cover the suggestion of the negation so that the incident will not possibly happen at this time. Advice: if I were you, I would come early. The stance is used to provide suggestion for events that have been missed. Negation: if my team won the game, I will treat you a meal. The stance states that my team did not win the game, so the stance is the same as if my team does not win the game, so I don't treat you a meal. The conditional tense is in the form of regret. This tense shows events that have happened in the past but are regretted in the present. In this tense, the defendant if clause uses the past perfect tense or had plus past participle, whereas the independent clause used would call make plus have plus past participle. The independent letter earlier and could have trained with Evan Dimas. The stance states that it was true that the incident occurred in the past, only the results were not as expected. Thank you.